Hi, welcome to this pre-recorded stream. It's pre-recorded because I want to share something I'm really excited about, and I want to do it now. It's not a great time to stream. What I want to do is cut the official full release of Valentine. So as you can see, we have a V1.0 in pre-release, and I want to bump it to 1.0.1 and just put it right into release and yeah, start sharing it with people. So this is super exciting. I've been waiting a long time to do this, and wow, yeah, it's crazy. So the end result is going to be another entry in this releases page with these different installers and the source code. And getting this is pretty simple. So basically we are going to make a change that is simply updating a version file. We're going to push it so it runs CI, which is what we have a GitHub action setup that runs tests. It runs plugin val. It runs whatever catch2 tests that I've got going. And at the end, it will do any kind of, like for the macOS, it will create an installer. It creates the binary, assigns it, creates the installer, staples it, all ready to go. And then Windows, once I get signing set up, it will do that as well. Linux just builds it. So yeah, and so we have to get that going, and then we have to associate it with a tag. So let's do the first git checkout b release v.1.0. Cool. Now let's bump this version, and bumping this also will change and we should actually double check to make sure that the build information and the version information shows up correctly. So there is a little bit of verification to do. Yep. Commit releasing the 1.0.1. Cool. And now what? We need to create the tag, get a tag v1.0.1, right? Git push tags. Oh, whatever. I've done a few takes of this. So I was trying to be slick and clean it up. But so that's failing because this tag already supposedly exists in remote, which actually, not sure how much sense that makes, given that I thought I just deleted it. And now it's not showing up. Maybe if I do this? No, it's definitely still there. Interesting. Oh no, that's the viewpoint. Oh, maybe I need to force. I'm gonna try force pushing this actually. Okay. Yeah, because that was actually strange. When I was setting up for this take, I was here and I deleted the v1.0.0 tag that was here. But yeah, so now if we go to the code, we should now, well, first off, branches. Did I not push? Oh, I haven't pushed. Okay, there's a one important, very important part, because I'm not working on the main branch. I need to actually push the changes, the version bump. And I am just going to visually check. There have been, last time I ran CI, everything worked fine. And CI is not going to ensure that. See, that is a problem. That might be because I need to make sure. And by that is a problem, I mean, this is showing 1.0.0, which is not the version we set. I'm about 90% sure that's because it needs to reconfigure. And that if we rebuild, this will this will work. So let's see. Come on. Yeah. Okay. So here's, let's see. There's two things I want to check. I want to make sure that the commit hash is is correct, and also that the version is correct. So let's feel like I've done something wrong here. There we go. And 1.0.1. Cool. And let's double check. So E707, that's the cool. Yes. Okay. So you know what? I am just going to yes, let's go. So now you'll see at, well, at some point I hope the oh, the tags. Okay, cool. Yeah, here's the tag. And I think the release will pop up once CI runs. I suppose this is another reason to get into the habit of releasing, doing releases frequently. All of this becomes easier with more practice. Okay, so. And then there's one last thing. And you know what? This is probably something that I could incorporate into the workflow. Maybe there's a new step that, what are the steps that we should do here? So, how to release your plugin. Create a release bxxx branch. Okay. Edit version file, commit, and push version file edit. Oops, did I accidentally? I think I accidentally may have deleted something from these. Yep. Okay. There we go. Git tag v xxx. Git push tags. But maybe even before, I guess the order matters in so much, you know, keeping, just keeping it straight, and not forgetting things. I don't think that this actually changes the result in any way. So maybe, and this will be, at least for me, how to release my plugin. Make sure, screenshot is correct in repo. Possibly update and push. That's what we're going to do right now. Lookout B, update, screenshot v1.0.1. Let's also double check to see where we're at in terms of, okay, yes, so that's shown up in pre-release. Oh, okay, well, what do I do? Let's just, ooh, release notes. I like to let GitHub generate this. Let's see. So what's changed? Increased maximum attack time to 55 milliseconds. Adjusted button, clip saturation, crush saturation, clip button spacing. What's the note? We've done it. I'm going to set this as the latest release. So this is now released. Awesome. One last step, and that is updating the screenshot, which is going to be super easy. Famous last words. So I can just drag it in there. Oh yes, it's in docs. Valentine screenshot.png, right? Oh yes. So we'll make sure we're on the most updated build. And I'm just super simple about this. Just throw that in there. Cool. Valentine. Oop. Screenshot.png. PNG. Very cool. And now we can just. Yes, that's true. The only binary file has changed. Yes, git push or git commit update screenshot. Git push. Will I remember? Set upstream origin update screenshot v1.0.1. Okay. Update screenshot to v.1.0.1. And I am also going, since this was actually one, so it's possible sometimes to, not sometimes, whenever I want, I can push without doing CI, but it's so rare that I actually want to do that, that I forgot that was a time I could have done it. For me, this doesn't matter so much because since this is an open source project, I get to run CI for free. So now, hey, there it is. That's the updated screenshot. v.o.1. So yeah, that is it. Thanks a lot for joining. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. Please subscribe. If you feel so compelled and you're on Discord, come over to the Surge Discord and visit me on the Tote Bag Labs channel. There'll be a link below for that. Or follow me on Twitter. Perhaps most importantly, come try out this free plugin, and maybe even you'll want to contribute. Who knows? Anything could happen. Anyway, yeah. Thank you very much. Goodbye.